What do you mean, put the gun down? We know about the plan to kill us. Plan to kill us. We know one of you is the monster. You are making a huge mistake. President, you're a bit kind of sus, but I trust you, President. I'm gonna pick that one that says we are not monsters. I don't trust you. Yeah. Agent. I hope. Please, I hope he's agent. Please. I don't want to get the bad ending. I want to get the good ending this time. Let's see. Oh, yes, better. Yes. Yay. Ah! What is that? Okay, President, I know you have been sus lately, but Mr. President, but Mr. Agent is kind of using a hat and a glasses. He's been haunting us since the first trip. I tried to take the adventures of this trip to kill us. That is crazy. Thank you for saving my life. Okay. Congratulations, passengers. We don't have passengers. You saved the day once. Again. Yay. That was so scary. Let's go home. Ellie is finally gone now. Okay, guys. I think it's time to end the video right here. So, I hope you liked the video. And I will see you next time. Goodbye. And we got the good ending. So, yeah. Bye.